Hi, today in front of me Nokia X10 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on that device. So first let's open the Gmail application and now tap on the right upper corner. Here we can see that we are logging into two accounts at the same time, and if you want to log out from one from these accounts here in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click here Manage Accounts on this device, select one from these two accounts, click to remove twice. Now in Google account settings we stay only with one account, and when we'll go back to the Gmail app we can see that we stay here also only with one Gmail account. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.